Yo, how's it going, guys? It's me, Steinberg Gaming, and today we are going to have this Matt's Attack pack opening. So yeah, I am so sorry that I haven't been uploading for such a long time, but there's been just crazy. It's just been crazy. I've been doing everything, and now I'm going to Tenerife, and I'm going to do so much of things. Let's just jump into this pack opening. I have few packs here on me, and wow, that almost went bad. But yeah, let's just open those. Coke is just so good, and this is definitely not an advertisement for Coca-Cola, but I always get so stressed up when I'm going to open up those packs, so I'm going to put on my stress relief shades. Okay, they're on, and we're going to open up the first pack. I'm looking for someone like Pogba. I want Pogba. Whew, let's do this. Okay. Oh my god. Guess who we got, guys? We got man of the match, Ben Gibson. Ben Gibson. We got man of the match, Ben Gibson. David James, goalkeeper. Crazy one. Okay. Juan Mata, who plays for Man United, and he is one of my favorite players, so I will put him here. And then we got Kittle, if I'm pronounce his name right. We got Movson from Swansea, and we got Ashley Young, and he will go here. Well, I'm not going to try to pronounce his name, but he's cool. And then we got Marco Silva, coach. And we got Conte, the Chelsea guy, and we're just going to do this really quick. Have this painful as possible. And okay, pack number 2. Whew. Midfielder from Chelsea. Guess who we got? We got Hazard. We got Hazard. If KSI would be here, he would be calling his mom right now.
That means I've got Hazard!
You've got Hazard. So what does it mean?
I've got Hazard!
Hazard.
I've got Hazard!
Yeah. But he's still not gone here. Sam Lucas. Pretty solid guy. Joe Fulton. Sabaleta, one of my most favorite FIFA BPL defenses. And okay, you would just go right here. Then we got Bardsley that plays for Stoke. Then Claycy that plays for Southampton. He is just right here. Wilfred Nini. Try to pronounce his name right, please. Just do it for me. I don't know how to do this. Ryan Fraser. And save him for the last. And bye. Neon. And the pack is gone. The pack is gone, guys. And we still got so many left, but the time is getting, well. Okay, how are we going to do this? Okay, let's just do this like this, and this, and this, and this. Okay, let's begin on this legend. We got a legend, Andrew Cole. If you remember him, leave a like. Andrew Cole, he's going here. And I'm not going to pronounce his name, but he plays for City. Manchester City. Georgie Ahmad, we have to get really quick, guys, because I don't want this to be a long video, guys. So yeah, it's then it's Ashley Fletcher, Tom Davis, Antonio Valencia. He will go right here. Mandamba, Wenger, and Pocaccio. I have nothing against him. And let's just go straight into the next pack. Let's see what we get. Okay, this is a solid card though. But okay. I will cut someone out because we already got. Okay, we already got Andrew Cole. We already got him, so he will go right here. Okay, subscribe, and I will mail Andrew Cole to someone of you. Subscribe, leave a like, and comment something, and I will pick one out, and I will send him this card right here. Yeah, okay. We got MacArthur. Sorry for my Icelandic accent. Victor Moses. Fabian Delph. Lucas Perez, I think. Yeah. Sissoko. Afale. Sinjihei. And save the best for the rest. This is Alexis Sanchez. Okay, guys, I wanted to do one thing. I want you guys to do one thing. Post this video to KSI, and I'm going to send him this guy because he loves Arsenal and I'm a big fan of him. So I'm thinking about sending him Sanchez in silver. And sorry, JJ, if I hurt your feelings by killing Wenger. Anyway, we are going to the next pack. This is getting crazy over here. So crazy. Okay, let's begin. Whew. We got Ati Howie, Arnold, Dan Gosling, and some Man U player. Who will that be? Ashley Young again. This Burnley player. Caliber. Gibbs. Oh my fucking god. Guess who we got? We got the fucking legend, guys. We got the fucking legend. We got fucking Ryan Giggs. He is so deep in my heart right now, but we got the fucking legend. We got Ryan Giggs. Oh my god. Okay, we have 3 packs left, guys. Whew. Swansea. Nothing. Southampton. Martina. Crystal Palace. One and Holt. I think I'm pronouncing this right. Stoke City. Lee Grant. Stoke City. Martins Indy. Marcos Alonso. Pedro. And Romeo. And who will we get here? We got the fucking legend. We got Alan Shearer. He would go here anyway. I was only going to put some Man U players over there, but yeah. Jeff Hendrick. Got Jeff Hendrick. Kyle Walker. Kevin Wimmer. Darren Randolph. Jay Rodriguez. And who is that? This is Cuco Martina. Max Gradhull. Tony and Sergio Berasio. I will just show you guys like this because we are running out of time. Okay, time for the last pack. Time for the last one. And we will save the best for the last. Here we have Jurgen Klopp. Crystal Palace, this is unearthed again. Crystal Palace, Mandanda. Westbourne Albion, Galloway. Here we have David Marshall, West Ham. Pedro Obiang, wow, that was bad. Pedro Obiang. Harry Winks, Charlie Austin, and then Philippe Coutinho. Sorry for all misunderstanding. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to click that subscribe button, it's somewhere down here somewhere. And I have to tell you guys, it's good to be back, and I will try to upload more. I am sorry, I've been breaking this all the time. I'm always saying, hey, I'm going to upload somewhere, but I never do. So, please comment, leave a like, subscribe, and give me a good idea for a new video, because I am thinking about having some disgusting drink that I have to drink. Okay, let's just call it a day. I will probably upload another video tonight because I want to go and troll some people on Omegle, and that's perfectly fine. So yeah, goodbye.